I just made Aunt Bee's frozen lemon pie from the Andy Griffith Show. Here's how to make it. If you love lemon, then you're going to love this cool and creamy frozen lemon pie. So good. Into a bowl, add 1 cup finely crushed grape nut flakes. Then add 1/4 cup melted butter. And stir and mix to combine. Take 3/4 cups of the cereal mixture and firmly press it on the bottom of an 8-inch pie pan. This is going to go into the freezer to firm up. Take 2 egg yolks. Blend very well. Then add 1/4 cup of sugar and stir to combine on top of a double boiler. Add a dash of salt. Then add 1/4 cup of lemon juice. And 1/2 teaspoon of lemon rind. We're going to stir this mixture until it is slightly thickened, making sure not to overcook the eggs. Now we're going to whip 3/4 cups of heavy whipping cream. We're going to whip this until soft peaks form. We are now going to take our lemon mixture and fold it into our whipped cream mixture. Give it a good scrape. Then turn on the mix master and stir to combine all the ingredients well. Next, take 2 egg whites and our old-fashioned handy-dandy egg beater, and we're going to whip the egg whites until foamy. We're going to add 1/4 cup sugar and continue to beat until stiff peaks form. Take the egg white mixture and fold it in to the lemon whipping cream mixture. And now we're going to continue to mix till everything's combined. Pour the mixture into our frozen pie crust. Smooth this mixture over the crust really well until it covers the entire pie crust. Take the remaining cereal mixture and sprinkle it over the top of the pie. Freeze until firm for about 4 hours. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.